All right. So when you first plug in your hard drive and you start your computer, you're going to want to go to your start menu, type in disk management. You'll see create and format hard disk partitions. You're going to click that. If your hard drive is plugged in properly and the computer recognizes it, you can scroll down and see it here. In this case, this is an external hard drive. I've deleted the volume. All you have to do is right click, new simple volume, follow the steps. That's the size. Assign whatever drive letter you want. Click next. Format the volume any way you want. In this case, I'm going to keep it NTFS. You can change the label. So if you wanted this to be storage or something like that, quick format should be fine. Press next. Press finish. It's going to say formatting. And it's done. So if I go to my hard drive, or I'm sorry, my computer, click on this PC, and there it is. That's it.